Hi, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to convert file format from MP3 to WAV in Audacity. So if you want to do it, first you need to move your cursor to the left upper side and then you need to click on File. After that we need to go to Open and then we need to select MP3 file that we want to convert. For example, I select this one file. It is simple file.mp3. I click Open button to load it in my project. And after that it will be successfully loaded here. So now if we want to convert it to WAV, we need to go to left upper corner again and we need to click File. Then we need to go to Export Audio, or alternatively we can use shortcut from our keyboard Ctrl+Shift+E. So I click somewhere here and then I need to select this one option, Export to Computer. It will let us to export our file to computer, so I click here. And now from Format you need to select WAV. Now let's check if your file name has .wav format. Of course you can select the folder where you want to export your file. You can change this path to your own if you want. And after that I click Export button and your file should be successfully exported as WAV format. So it is how you can easily convert MP3 to WAV in Audacity. If I helped you, remember to like this tutorial and subscribe my channel, and please let me know in comment if it solved your problem.